Oh, what is going on, YouTube? We just got the new drone from DJI that came out 2 days ago. DJI partnered with this other company. It looks like the mini Spark, and the Spark is mini. So here is the drone itself, and if you could see down here, DJI. So it's basically the newest one, and there's an app on your phone. I'm pretty sure it's just the DJI app, but I'll see when it comes with the instructions. So basically in here, all the accessories are sold separate. Here is the drone. Wait, what? Okay. So here's the drone. It looks a lot like the Spark from here, except for that I can't like fold in. And where is the battery for this thing? Okay. Let me just figure this out. So I was searching and I actually found battery. And it's actually not the DJI app. It is Scratch. You know, the program Scratch. They have a thing on there, but it's an app. So yeah, if there's a little QR code if you want to scan that to get the app. And just put this in. Okay, hold on. Just push this in here, and it's ready to fly. So thanks for watching, guys. Also has a USB charging thing on here if you don't want to get the charging adapter, which is sold separately. And thank you for watching. I will set up this drone, and I will be flying it in my next vlog. Make sure to check it out. A little later, when I get this thing set up, I might give a little intro and stuff, but thanks for watching.